Hello everyone, Namaste. Thank you for reconnecting. In the last video we had learned the correct pronunciation formation of swars with examples. In this video we will start with Vyanjans. We will take each Vyanjan in depth. We will learn the pronunciation, the formation and its usage with all the matras. Let's begin with the first Vyanjan, that is K. For K, draw a standing line, a circle and a tail like we make for H, and definitely one sleeping line, okay, which we use for all the swars and Vyanjans on the top. So it is pronounced as K. Now let's see its usage with different matras. Now see, I have mentioned all the swars here, okay, and we are going to use K with all these matras, right? So let's start with this A. See, I want to give here few examples of English, like we have silent letters in few words, like let's take honest, H is silent. Let's take psychology, P is silent. Similarly, when we use this matra with Ka, we cannot see it, okay, but it is in pronunciation, right? Let's see the examples. With Ka, we have words like Kamal, Kamal means lotus, okay. Then we have Kalam, kalam, that is pencil or pen. Please don't get confused because the letters are same. The swars are, the Vyanjans are same, right? Ka, ma, la, and this is ka, la, ma. This is lotus and this is pen or pencil. And the third word is kamar, that is waist. Waist, your waist, I mean body part, right? Then let's see the next word, that is A, okay. Let's give example with this. Kagaz. Kagaz means paper, okay. Second word we can take Kajal, Kajal, right? Kajal, you all know what Kajal is. You can say it like liner, okay. Then the third word is Kala, that is the color black, Kala, okay. So we have done two matras, A and A, okay. Now let's see how we add this E to the Vyanjan K, right? The examples are Kitab, okay, Kitab, that is book. Kitab, that is book. Kila, that is fort. The next is Kiraya, that is rent. Kiraya yani rent, okay. Moving to the next swar, that is U, right? Let's see. Now with this U, we will write kurta, kurta we all know, the long top which a male and female both can wear, right? Then next is coolie. Coolie is porter in English, okay, who carries your luggage at a railway station. And the third one is kumhar. Kumhar is the one who makes pots, potter, okay, potter. Now let's take the next matra, that is oo, right? With this oo, the words are, the examples are kooda, that is garbage, okay. Then kood. Kood is jump, okay. Koodna is jumping and kood is jump. The third example for this is cooker. It is same in Hindi and in English. Cooker, okay. Now let's see the example with A. Kela, that is banana. Then second example is kesar, that is saffron. The third example for this A is kesh. Kesh means hair, bal, okay. Let's see the next matra, that is I. With I we have examples like kaisa, how. You can ask questions with this, okay, kaisa, and you can also use it as kaise, okay. The second example with this is kachi. Kachi means scissors. The third example with this is kaidi. Kaidi, that is prisoner, okay. Next is O. Komal. It can be a name. It means soft. Kothi, that is a very big house, a luxurious house. Kothi. And the third word is kotri, just the opposite of kothi. It is a small store kind of a room. Kotri, a very small and dark room for storing something, right? Next matra is au. So here we will use Kaushal. Kaushal is a name also, it means skill. Then Koa, that is crow, bird, a black color bird, okay. Koa is a black color bird, right? And the last example for au is corn. Who, it is a question word. Corn means who, right? The last swar, ang. Let's see the words with this matra also. The first example with this is, it is used as a dot and in Hindi it is called a bindi, okay. Kant. Kant means throat, right? Kant means throat. Then the next example is Kankar. Kankar. Kankar means pebbles, pebbles, right? And the third and the last example for this is kandha, shoulders. Okay, kandha, shoulders. So guys, we are through with the first Vyanjan, that is ka. We have done almost all the matras. Okay, I am sure it is going to help you. We will connect with each other for the second Vyanjan, that is ka, in the next video. So please stay connected. Bye bye. Take care.